JNRN student. In our previous class, we were learn about the hardware and input and output device. But today we are going to start about the software. What is the software? Software means set of program that direct a computer to perform the specific task or a operation. मतलब सॉफ्टवेयर एक ऐसा प्रोग्राम है जिसका यूज़ हम किस लिए करते हैं, कंप्यूटर को इंस्ट्रक्शन देने के लिए. द स्टेप वाइज इंस्ट्रक्शन गिवन टू द कंप्यूटर इज कॉल्ड अ प्रोग्राम. Software is a set of instruction. Software is a set of program and program is a set of instruction. And hardware and software both have to work together. Without hardware and software, computer cannot be work. A number of software can be run on the same hardware to perform the different types of jobs. Now, how many types of software? There are two type of software. First is system software and second is application software. What is the system software? It is the software that is directly operate to the computer hardware to provide the basic fundamentally needed by the users and other software. It is the backbone of the computer system. System software included. It is the backbone. You know what the mean of the backbone? Means without system software, computer is nothing. First is operating system. What is the operating system? The operating system is the most important program that run on the computer. Means operating system is the first program that enter to the computer, and operating systems control over all activity of the कंप्यूटर. हमारे कंप्यूटर की जितनी भी एक्टिविटी जो होती है वो सारी एक्टिविटी को कंट्रोल करने का काम कौन करता है? ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. विदाउट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम कंप्यूटर्स जस्ट लाइक द डस्टबिन. अगर हमारे कंप्यूटर में ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम नहीं होगा तो हमारा ऑपरेटिंग कंप्यूटर वर्क नहीं करेगा. सम एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम ऑफ Linux, Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 10. These are the operating system. Operating system perform the following basic tasks. I'm going to read: recognizing input from the keyboard, sending output to the display screen, keeping track of file on the hard disk, controlling peripheral device such as a scanner, disk drive, etc. Sharing of resource link means I have already tell that operating system control overall activity of the computer. It's also control the input output device. It's also control the peripheral devices, and it's also control file and hard disk, everything. Next, I've already tell computer operating system is the first program that enter in the computer. Okay, now there are two type of the booting. What is the booting? Operating system. What is the booting? When the computer is turned on. When the computer is turned on, operating system get loaded. जब भी हम कंप्यूटर ऑन करते हैं तो हमारा ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम क्या होता है? लोड होने लगता है. आप लोग ने देखा होगा कि जब भी आप कंप्यूटर को ऑन करते हैं तो एक नंबरिंग स्टार्ट होती है. ठीक है, तो वो उसका मतलब है कि हमारा ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम लोड हो रहा है, जिसको क्या बोलते हैं इस प्रोसेस को? दिस प्रोसेस नोन एज बूटिंग. देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ बूटिंग. फर्स्ट इज कोल्ड बूटिंग and second is warm booting. What is the cold booting? When the system is started by switching on the power supply is called the cold booting. Suppose हमारा सिस्टम कंप्यूटर सिस्टम ऑफ है, हमने पावर ऑन किया और अपने कंप्यूटर को स्टार्ट किया, दैट मीन्स द cold booting. And what is the warm booting? कि when the system is already running and need to be restart और rebooted is called the warm booting. मतलब कि हमारा कंप्यूटर ऑलरेडी ऑन है बट हमें उसको क्या करना है, दोबारा से रीस्टार्ट करना है, दोबारा से स्टार्ट करना है. दैट्स कॉल्ड द warm booting. Now, first is characteristic of an operating system. What is the character of the operating system? Some of the most prominent character features of the operating system are: first is memory management. What is the memory management? These are the function of the operating system. It keeps track to primary memory, for example, which part of it is used by whom, which part is not. Means when we have to give the instruction to the computer, all all data and file stored by the memory, and memory management manage all type of files and data which we have to give the computer memory. Second is processor management. What is the processor management? It allocate the processor CPU to the process and deallocate to the process when it is no longer required. Processor managed by the CPU. Normally processor managed by the CPU कि जो भी प्रोसेसिंग के लिए हम वर्क CPU को देते हैं तो वो डिसाइड करता है कि सबसे पहले किसको प्रोसेस में करना है. प्रोसेसर मैनेज all the process managed by the CPU. First is device management. What is the device management? It keeps track of all devices. This is also called input output controller that decided which process get to device when and how much time. Means device management manage the input and output device की कौन सी डिवाइस प्रोसेस करने के लिए कितना टाइम ले रही है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज द सिक्योरिटी. इट प्रिवेंट unauthorized access to the program and data by means of the passwords and other similar technique. What is the security? Normally चाहे वो हमारा फ़ोन हो या कंप्यूटर सिस्टम हो, वी हैव टू गिव द सिक्योरिटी, वी हैव टू give the password of the computer system. That means no any other